addition to the regular maintenance performed by trained service technicians, you can also contribute to the value retention of your device by performing daily checks and cleaning. The daily inspection of the coarse and fine sieve in the washing chamber protects the water circulation against dirt particles or small parts. To check the coarse sieve, turn the handle leftwards to its fullest extent and remove it upwards. To remove the fine sieve, unscrew the knurled nut anti-clockwise. Rinsing the sieves under running water will remove residue. The cleaning outcome can be improved using a soft brush. In addition to cleaning the sieves, we recommend visual inspection of the door seal, the rinse arms, and the other accessories. You can remove visible soiling on the front of the device with a suitable surface disinfectant, such as MELAdes 700.